Burgers and homemade ketchup a la Spencer. For my burgers, I really like to use chuck. Chuck is just so wonderful. It has a perfect amount of fat to meat, so it doesn't shrink up on the grill, and it loves flavor. When this meat hits the barbecue, it is so tasty. You just need to season it with salt and pepper. No filler, no egg, no breadcrumb, just meat, good seasoning. Now, I take my patty mix, I do it into 2, and then into 3s. So first things first, you make them into a ball and then into a puck. Perfect. I'm all about flavor and surprise when I cook, and I'm gonna stuff these burgers. So I just take a pair of tongs and take a good chunk of meat out of the middle and save the meat. One's gonna be blue cheese, the other one's gonna be garlic butter. Let's do garlic butter first. And the next one, blue cheese. All right, so take your leftover little bit, put it on top of the burger, just kind of put it in your hands, smack it together, and reform the burger. It looks like nothing's gonna happen. It looks like it's just a regular burger, but when you bite into it, surprise. All right, these things are looking really good. Just a bit of time to firm up in the fridge, and it gives me time to make the easiest homemade ketchup ever. My homemade ketchup pretty much makes itself. It was like my bed when I was a kid. I just wake up, go to school, come home, and the bed was made. Just trying to figure it out still. Any good ketchup has some tomato. I'm using 2 kinds. Crushed tomato, it's really nice light tomato flavor, and tomato paste. Tomato paste is concentrated, and it's really got some backbone. It's like tomato bomb. So for the vinegar, I'm using apple cider. Brown sugar is like the rock star of sugar. It's got molasses in it, and it has a really good depth of flavor. I put a little bit of cloves in it, and it's gonna taste like ketchup, but you're gonna get that, like, what is in that? And that's our little secret. And a little bit of ground allspice, and that's it. Let it cook down, let the flavors develop, and that's gonna be ready for burgers. I like this medium to high heat. You want some really good char marks at the beginning. Then flip it, turn the heat down, and that cheese is gonna ooze, the butter's gonna melt, and you will be in burger heaven, I promise you. Look at the melted blue cheese in there. That would make my dad so happy. Been about 5 minutes. All right, build a burger empire. This is the fun part. This is where you can kind of get creative and change up the toppings. I just like to keep mine simple. You can blend your homemade ketchup if you like, but I like it chunky. There's really good texture in there. And I like lots of sauce. Vinegary, sugary, but a little bit of allspice and clove kind of takes it to like, dude, that's the best ketchup I ever had. And I really like some crunchy butter lettuce. Now for the burger. Couple of cheese, couple of butter. Just to finish it, pickles, red onion, tomato. Check out that cheese. Wait till you see the one with butter in it. Look at that. That's crazy. Looks pretty juicy, huh? You know what? I'm a sucker for blue cheese. I did a good job today. I love how gooey the cheese gets, but add your own homemade ketchup and it's a home run. And switch it up. Change your cheeses, change your toppings.